Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited. This one's an ocean blue. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 285 horsepower. This one has 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires. Winch up front, Rubicon, Jeep Wrangler badging on the side. Black with red leather stitching. Removable hard top. Rear USB ports. Clean set of all-season floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Blind spot assist. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Navigation. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Heated seats, dual climate controls. Window buttons. Different auxiliary ports. Different driving selections. This Jeep has 10,240 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, visit us at feldmanimports.com.